Moving to the next theme, that is performance assessment methods for the steam traps. Steam trap performance assessment is basically concerned with answering the following two questions. Number one, is the trap working correctly or not? Number two, if not, has the trap failed in an open or closed position? When the steam trap fail open, it means they continuously allow the steam and condensate to pass through. Steam traps that fail open result in a loss of a steam and its energy. When condensate is not returned, the water is also lost as well. The result is a significant economic loss directly via increased boiler plant costs and potentially indirectly via decreased steam heating capacity. When steam traps fail closed, it means they stop allowing the condensate to pass through. Steam traps that fail closed do not result in economic or the water losses, but can result in significantly reduced heating capacity or damage to the steam heating equipment. The first assessment is visual testing. Visual testing includes traps with open discharge, sight glasses, sight checks. In every case, the flow or the variation of the flow is visually observed. If condensate can be diverted ahead of the trap or a secondary flow can be turned off, the load of the trap will drop to zero or very minimal amount. So the visual test will allow in determining the leakage. The next method is sound testing. Sound testing include ultrasonic leak detectors, mechanic stethoscope, screwdriver, or a metal rod with a human ear against it. All these use the sound created by the flow to determine the trap function like the visual method. Diverting the condensate flow ahead of the trap or shutting off the secondary flow as mentioned under the visual testing, the noise level will drop to zero or a very low level if the trap is operating correctly. If the steam trap continues to flow heavily after the diversion, it would be leaking or blowing through. Third method is temperature testing. Temperature testing include infrared guns, surface pyrometers, and temperature tapes. Typically, they are used to gauge the discharge temperature on the outlet side of the trap. Blocked or the turned off traps can be easily be detected by the infrared gun or the surface pyrometer as they will show low or the cold temperature. For additional information on Energy Audit Essentials course specifically designed for the success in BE National Certification Examination for Energy Managers and Auditors, please feel free to visit our website www.EdcelerateMinds.com. You can also mail your queries at info@EdcelerateMinds.com. To know more about our energy audit related services at industries, please visit our website www.cgenergytech.com. Thank you.